Hey y'all, it's been a while since I recorded a video, but I'm so excited to be doing the skills block lesson today. Today we're going to be reading our story, My Garden Spot. Then after we read the story, with expression and keeping an even pace, we're going to highlight the high frequency words together. All right, first Ms. Shea needs to share her screen with you. There we go. And now you can see the same thing that I see. We are reading My Garden Spot. I'm going to start at the first word, which is dad. Use your index finger and follow along with me inside your packet. We're going to be reading this together. Dad walked into the kitchen. See how I paused? I paused because I see a period, so I get to take a little bit of a breath, take a little bit of a break. He saw Sam scribbling on some paper. What are you drawing, Sam? Asked Dad. A sun chart, Sam replied. We've been learning about gardens at school. I know it's impossible for us to have a garden because we don't have a yard. So I'm planning an indoor garden, Sam explained. Plants need sun to grow. So I made this chart to keep track of when the sun shines through each window throughout the day. That way, I'll know the best place to put my garden. Sam showed Dad the chart. It looks like the kitchen will be the best spot. It gets sunshine in the morning and afternoon, and it faces south, which means it gets bright sunlight, said Dad. Sam and Dad went to the local garden center to buy some plants, plant food, a watering can, and a potting soil. They chose a lavender plant with a purple flowers with a spider plant with long, thin leaves. As they got home, Sam carefully put the plants on the table next to the kitchen window. He filled the watering can and sprinkled them with water. He made sure they were sitting at the right angle so they would get plenty of sunshine. Maybe we can grow some vegetables next, and a sunflower, and Dad stopped Sam. Let's see how we do with just 2. Then we'll decide if we can handle any more plants in our wonderful little apartment garden, said Dad with a smile. Do you see how I read when the people were talking with expression, like people were really talking? I want you to practice this at home. This is called reading with expression. You're reading as if you are one of the characters. Try practicing it with a family member and having them listen to you. Next, we're going to go and highlight words from our word list. So Mrs. Jane's going to get her little highlighter. You can use a marker, you can use a crayon and underline, anything you have at home, just as long as you're noticing where these words are. You can even circle them with a pencil. All right, let's go through this together. I see that on our word list, our first word is able. So as you read with a family member, go through and when you hear the word able, you'll stop and highlight it. Also with the word each, magic, hawk, march. I don't remember reading equal. Maybe we need to do these words. Silly, Miss Duchesne. Let's do our sight words instead. It said high frequency words, but I guess we're going to use our sight words. So let's find indoor. So I remember he was talking about our indoor garden. So I remember that being right here. Then we go ahead and highlight that word. Let's also see, I remember throughout was right here. So when you go through, I want you to highlight throughout, indoor, weave, which we know is a contraction of we have that are put together, possible, and laughed. You're going to go and try to find those 5 words on your own. Go ahead and when you're done, make sure you send a picture to one of your teachers because they're going to be looking to make sure you're doing your work. I hope you enjoyed my lesson today and I hope this helps. Miss you guys.